Let's have a look at the fan positioning. There are two possibilities. Two where the fans are standing in front of the air scroller and one after the air scroller. Let's first look at the two standing in front of the air scroller. On the left we see that the fans are standing horizontal, so in the same direction as the airflow. And on the right we see the fans in a vertical airstream positioning. If we look in detail to the horizontal fan positioning, this creates less turbulence for the air. The fans must be positioned at least 3 meters away from the air intake of the air scroller. By positioning the fans in this way, they are easier to maintenance. A disadvantage is that the air must be pushed around the corner of the central air duct into the pressure chamber. When the fans are placed in a vertical airstream positioning, the fans are more alike in the flow of the central air duct. Again, the fans has to be 3 meters apart from the air intake. By placing the fans in this manner, the air is more pulled around the corner as in horizontal position. But this creates a disadvantage when servicing the fans. When the fans are placed behind the air scroller, the whole air system becomes under pressure. This is an advantage, so there won't be leaking dirty air. A disadvantage is that the fans has to be capable of 100% relative humidity and acid proof. Also, you need an extra floor above the air scroller. This way of setting up a system is only advised when the air outlet speed must be high, like 7 meters per second, or when you need to have a high exhaust point. Fan positioning summary. The central air duct must have under pressure. And the central air duct has to have under pressure door. The scroller can function in under and over pressure, so in pull or push system. The fans must be able to produce the total amount of air with a pressure drop of 65 Pascal. And the fans must be suitable for the environment that they are placed. And it's preferable that these fans are frequency driven.